In this project, I'm using a tile adhesive to glue these pavers to the top of our wall, which will help the pavers sit really tight. The idea with this tile cement is to get enough on to get a nice tight sandwich in between the brick and the wall. Part of managing the process effectively is only sticking down small groups of bricks at a time. I use my wet sponge to clean off any spills as they happen. This end of the wall is where we went to all this trouble to make sure the natural stone wall and these bricks would segue together nicely. Now that our wall's finished, we're going to build some concrete foundations on the outside corner of this wall that match what we've already got existing over here. So I just need to dig the gravel out to expose this original foundation. Once we've poured a small bed of concrete in the form, we organise our rebar to make sure it's in the right place. It's important we get the bottom part filled first. When our forms get filled with concrete, we just smooth it out with our trowel.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.